of you will cherish. Another story will be told, another chapter will be closed, and a new journey will unfold. To our distinguished University President, Dr. Rolito Ibalye, our dynamic Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Jose S. Balmorida, our supportive Dean of the College of Education, Dr. Julian Orobia, the faculty and staff of CMU LHS, headed by our active school principal, Dr. Maris J. Q. Urungan, our honorable guest speaker, Pastor Vinard M. Sudara, our dedicated parents and guardians, and most especially, our remarkable completers and graduating students. Good morning. Teaching is a uniquely challenging journey. It is filled with exhausting days, demands endless patience, and brings countless obstacles. Yet it is also profoundly rewarding, offering the unparalleled privilege of shaping minds, nurturing potential, and witnessing students grow into capable, responsible, and compassionate individuals. However, this journey would not be as meaningful without the support and partnership of everyone who contributes to the success of our learners. On behalf of the teaching force of CMU LHS and the rest of the CMU LHS family, we express our deepest gratitude for the unwavering support of our beloved institution, CMU, under the leadership of our University President. Because of the support, the faculty and staff of CMU LHS have been given the invaluable opportunity to touch the minds and hearts of these young learners and become part of their educational journey. We are truly grateful for the trust, guidance, and resources that the university has continuously provided, enabling us to create a learning environment where our learners can thrive academically, socially, and personally. Your commitment to quality education has empowered us to fulfill our mission as educators and mentors. To the faculty and staff of CMU LHS, thank you for your dedication, commitment, and hard work in delivering the quality education our learners deserve throughout the years. To our dear parents and guardians, thank you for your trust, partnership, and steadfast support. Thank you for entrusting us with one of the greatest treasures in your lives, your children. We recognize the sacrifices you have made, the countless hours of hard work, the prayers you have offered, and the dreams you have carried in your hearts for them. Your commitment to their holistic growth and development has been instrumental in the success we celebrate today. Beyond the walls of this institution lies a world filled with opportunities and challenges. Along the way, your children may experience more triumphs and challenges and achievements as well. But they may also encounter more failures, disappointments, and setbacks. It is our hope that the lessons they have learned here will serve as their guide, helping them navigate life's uncertainties with courage, integrity, and determination. And to our dear completers and graduating students, today we celebrate not only your accomplishments, but also your perseverance. Being a CMU LHS student is never easy. Sakto dili. Your journey demanded discipline, hard work, sacrifice, and resilience. There were moments when you felt overwhelmed by deadlines, long quizzes, examinations, projects, and sleepless nights. But don't you worry, there will be more. Just wait. There were times when giving up seemed easier than pressing forward. But look at you now. You stood firm in the face of challenges. You persevered through difficulties. You learned from the failures, celebrated your victories, and continued moving forward despite every obstacle that came your way. Today is proof of your strength, determination, and commitment to your dreams. Thank you for embracing the challenge of being a SEMU LHS student. Thank you for your courage, dedication, and willingness to grow. The journey may not have been easy, but every struggle has helped shape you into the person you are becoming. We, your teachers, hope that you will face the future with confidence, humility, and hope. Whatever life may lead you, always remember that you will forever be a part of SEMU LHS family, and we will always be proud of the individuals you have become. Before I end, I would like our grade 12 graduating students to take a moment and look behind you. Can you see the completers seated there? A few years ago, that was you. And to our completers, look at them as well. Few years from now, that will be you. To all of you, remember this. Someday, somehow, all your hard work will pay off. There may be challenges along the way, and success may not come as quickly as you hope. But never stop giving your best. Continue believing in yourselves, trust the process, keep moving forward, and most importantly, be kind to yourselves and live with God. Congratulations, class of 2026. Your future awaits, and we cannot wait to see the wonderful things you will accomplish. May your dreams take flight, your purpose guide with your path, and your achievements inspire others. Thank you, and God bless you all.